Okay, we have one more new grammar point to talk about in Chapter 2. Let's take a look. So here we have Ikeda-san and Nomura-san. 皆さん, let's take a look at some information about the two of them. Ikeda-san は2年生です. So Ikeda-san is a second year, right? Ikeda-san は2年生です. Nomura-san も2年生です. Ikeda-san は2年生です. Nomura-san も2年生です. Ikeda-san の専攻はビジネスです. Nomura-san の専攻もビジネスです. So, Ikeda-san の専攻はビジネスです. Nomura-san の専攻もビジネスです. So what do you think this も might be telling us? So, Ikeda-saんは2年生です. Nomura-saんも2年生です. Ikeda-saんの専攻は歴史です. Nomura-saんの専攻も歴史です. This も is a lot like the English word to or also. We use も to indicate that something about Nomura-san's information is the same as something about Ikeda-san's information. So Ikeda-san is a second year. Nomura-san is also a second year. Ikeda-san's major is history. Nomura-san's major is also history. So in the sentences that we're going to study in this chapter, we are going to put mo in the place where we would normally put the wa. So instead of putting, so we have Ikeda-san wa 2年生です. And then in the next sentence, instead of putting wa, we're going to put mo instead. Nomura-san mo 2年生です. So Nomura-san is also a second year. The same way in this next set of sentences, Ikeda-san の専攻は歴史です. Nomura-san の専攻 instead of wa, we will put mo. Nomura-san の専攻も歴史です. So Nomura-san's major is also history. Let's look at another example. 岡田さんは何年生ですか? So what year in school are you? 3年生です. 鈴木さんは何年生ですか? 私も3年生です. So I am also a third year. じゃあ、鈴木さんの専攻は何ですか? 英語です。岡田さんの専攻は何ですか? 私の専攻も英語です。So her major is English and her major is also English. So instead of using the wa, we use a mo to indicate also. So in this case, we want to say, like we are talking about my major and your major. When we say my major is also English, we want to put the mo after major. So we want to put the mo after the item that we are comparing between the two people. So my major is also English. 私の専攻も英語です. So we can't put the mo after 私. We have to put it after 専攻. Okay, let's practice the mo in the next few questions.